Poison Gamer YouTube here, back with another video where today we're in a hailstorm. There's an actual hailstorm. Yo, look at this. I don't know if you could see it. I'll aim it more toward the ground. Yo, look at this. There's actually hail. It's hailing. I think it calmed down. You can see there was a little like vortex made of leaves that formed right there. I wasn't able to record it, but there's a little vortex of leaves right now. There was like a mini tornado right there. There was a uh-oh. Gotta come down again. This is a storm. Wow. I don't know how long it's been raining for, but hail. I think we're in the clear. We may be in the clear. Well, listen to it. Yo, it's a storm. It is a storm. There's an actual freaking plane. There's a freaking plane? Why would there be a plane flying in this? That's all I really recorded the YouTube video for. That we got a little bit of hail, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait. Hold up, I think it's starting to come down again. Oh. Tons of rain. It's hard to tell, but... Oh. Holy crap. Don't tell me we're gonna be getting a tornado. Hold on. I'm gonna turn on the TV. I gotta turn on the TV. I'm gonna check the weather. Come on. Saskatoon News.
But May also said the Greens would look for hidden revenue, such as taxing the profits of commercial banks and increasing the corporate tax rate.
These are the things that bring in enough revenue that we are able to make these promises.
Bonjour tout le monde. Conservative leader Andrew Scheer is campaigning in...
No. Well, I need to find the weather channel. Come on, where is it? Where's weather? It doesn't go up anymore. Yes. I found it. I found weather. God damn it. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. I didn't mean to swear.
Thanks for sharing, bud. And you're in love.
We're getting snow on the weekend. You can't see that right now?
Okay, sure.
On Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Rewards program should
Okay, hold on. Change.
be beverages. You get any
Look at this. Sunday, it's gonna snow. It's gonna snow and rain. Okay, let me try the other net weather.
Only Clear Blue pregnancy test with weeks indicator.
Sunday.
How many weeks? Over 99%.
Oh, Sunday and Monday we're getting rainstorms.
Hi there, you're watching the Weather Network. I'm Kim McDonald. I have a special guest with me. This is oncologist Dr. Elaine McWhorter. She works with the Juravinski Cancer Center. You're also associate professor at McMaster University. And I think, Dr. McWhorter, when we're talking about summer, that's when we really concentrate on sun.
Correct.
And skincare, being out in the sun, protecting our skin. But when we move into the other seasons,
Oh my actual God. Okay. It says it right there. 30-kilometer-an-hour winds. That's a lot of wind. Speaking of, I was literally just about to record a Minecraft tornado video, and then this storm just came. Yeah, okay, so we have a storm.
the other seasons of the year, I think
There's a storm.
it's not that important.
I agree. We do see a lot of that, and people tend to think of summer as just when it's warm. So summer maybe starts May, June for folks and ends by September.
Field, I think they're going to play Urshela at third, Mayhew at first, Torres at second, Didi at shortstop. And
Oh, where was my dad's channel? It's this one. So anyway, guys, yeah. There's a little bit of a vortex out there, right by my house, a little mini tornado, which is kind of cool. That was cool. I was scared. Scared the life out of me. Literally, seeing like a tornado down my street. It wasn't a legit tornado. It was like a dust devil. It was like a dust devil that came and picked up leaves. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, it's not every day we see these type of storms. It's not every day that we get hail here. We hardly ever get hail. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.